Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new 2021 Erevo 2.0 VXL. Get to meet the all-new 2022 Traxxas Sledge. There she is. Oh, yeah. The RC Celebrity Speed Fresh just arrived at the RC Hobby Shop, baby. Face to face. Yeah. E-Reeve on the Sledge, baby. E-Reeve on the Shelby, baby. E-Reeve on the TRX, baby. The Sledge and the TRX, baby. The Sledge and the Raptor R, baby. Well, what do we have here? There it is. And finally, the all-new 2021 Traxxas Erevo finally get to meet the all-new 2022 Traxxas Sledge. Here it is, man. Like, this Traxxas Sledge is a lot stronger and is better than an Erevo 2.0 VXL. Remember the Erevo, you hit the curve, it breaks. The Sledge is a lot stronger than the Erevo 2.0 VXL. Yeah, see this? Like, see the difference? There it is. Sledgehammer tires versus the original tires. This is not a Sledgehammer tire. This is original tires for the Erevo. This, the Sledgehammer tires. You can put Sledgehammer tires in this Erevo too. But it makes it a little heavy, but that's all right though. This is Sledge I'm getting, man. But not this color though. Do you remember I told you, you know what color the Sledge I want? Black and orange. Don't forget what I told you. It's been 5 months, y'all. 5 months in March 15th, 2022 on spring break. Again, you know what color the Sledge I want? Black and orange. Just remember that. And then now the Sledge and the Erevo will be coming after the TRX and Nixon Addiction. I'm going to say it again. The Erevo and the Sledge will be coming after the 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 TRX and the 2023 Ford Raptor R. Oh, that's even better, guys. That's even better. Hey, the 2023 Ford Raptor R just came out about 3 weeks ago on July the 18th, but you got to pre-order it. It's $110,000 for the truck. 700 horsepower, 640 pound-feet of torque versus the TRX and Nixon Addiction. But the TRX and Nixon Addiction will still beat it. The Ford Raptor R ain't gonna win. You need 900 horsepower to keep up with it. Now, the Erevo and the Sledge and the TRX and the Nixon Addiction and the Ford Raptor R. The Raptor R, yeah, that's even better. And then we're going to take the Sledge and the Erevo out in the desert racetrack, right? Versus the TRX and Nixon Addiction and the Raptor R. Both of them is going to be doing tight formation mid-air jumps. And the Erevo will be doing a double backflip in front of the TRX and Nixon Addiction and the Raptor R. Including the Sledge. Ooh, I've been dreaming about this for a long time, everybody. Did you know that? It's been a long time been dreaming about this. And this is it. This is it. Guys, guess what? I'm about to get me a Traxxas Sledge soon, y'all. Bear with me, I promise you. I'm getting that Velocity Orange. And this is it. So now, the Traxxas Sledge. Ooh, man. You remember I told you, I'm not going to get this color. Red and black, that's cool. That's Traxxas color. Red and black, that's Traxxas color. That's okay. Red and black is nice. But me, Velocity Orange. All right, now, here it is. Today is car show day. We're having a party up in here. Look at my GoPro camera. Look at that. Attached to the Erevo. I'm going to attach the GoPro camera on the Sledge so you can put a GoPro camera right here on the Sledge. Right, and then that's about it. So again, oh, we still got the XO1. Velocity Orange is still there. Nobody even bought it yet. There it is, 2022 XO1. So guys, I'm gonna get the Sledge first, and then after that, I'm gonna sell my 2021 XO1. I still have my 2021 XO1. It's not sold yet, but it will be soon. Right after the Sledge comes, I'm gonna buy 4 new tires on my XO1, and then I'm gonna put it up for sale, and I'm gonna trade it in for this brand new 2022 XO1. And then that's about it. And then I'm gonna get 2 more trucks. I'm gonna come back for that Traxxas Max version 2.0 because I've been looking for that for 5 months. But hey, I already make that video about the Max V2. But yeah. So anyway, so this is it. Subscribe. All right. Face to face. Yeah. All right. One more thing. I forgot one more thing. 2 more trucks I'm going to get. The Traxxas Max version 2. And then the Stampede VXL. The one with the Magnitude 72R transmission. And the color, they blue and orange. They're blue and orange. And that's the last thing I'm going to get. And then that's about it. That's about it. So, we're about to be in the fall again. We're in the fall now, but the fall don't start until October. So, summer is ended. It's over. So, as soon as we reach September next month, summer's over. So, it's the last day of summer. August 31st, it's the last day. Will be the last day of summer. About 3 more weeks now. This is it. There it is. Finally, the Erevo. Get to meet the all-new 2022 Traxxas Sledge. The most powerful monster truck ever. Same speed as the Erevo. Both of them will go 70 miles per hour. But if you do the upgrade, remember I told you about the Erevo? If you convert that to the 8S, or I almost dropped the remote, sorry. Now the Erevo, convert that to the 8S, and then change the motor to ESC, and then gear it up. And the Sledge, convert it to 8S, both of them do 145, 150, easily. And it's faster than the Porsche. It's faster than your Dodge Charger, SRT8 Hellcat, Red Eye, Jailbreak. We're gonna race now. We're gonna race at the Desert Track versus the new 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 TRX and the 2023 Ford Raptor R. That's right. And the Sledge will beat the TRX Ignition Addiction, and it will beat the Ford Raptor R. Yeah, that's right, buddy. You going down, Ford. You going down, Dodge. All right, guys. The last Traxxas Sledge is gone. I repeat. The last Traxxas Sledge is gone. So, we don't have any more Sledge. All we got left is that demo. The display. That's all we got. So, the last one in the box is gone. Y'all too late. Y'all too late. So, I sold him the brand new 2022 Traxxas Sledge. I told him to get a Sledge, and then he did because of me. So just remember that. I sold him the Sledge, baby. And he gonna love the brand new 2022 Traxxas Sledge versus the 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 TRX Ignition Addiction and versus the 2023 Ford Raptor R. Wheel ball. I can fix that back on there. I forgot it was a bump. I hit a bump, and the wheelie ball came right off. That's all. I can snap it. I can snap this back in. That 2021 Erevo built tough, baby. Go Traxxas! Boom. See, told you. It came off. It's removable. Look. When they hit that bump, this slice right off. See? Look, and you just pop it back in there.
Fun with it. Look. I recommend driving in a big open area, not up and down the street, hitting the neighbors.
Until you click. It doesn't hear click it, but it's on there. See, it ain't coming off. Look.
Okay. That's probably why you guys got this car.
That's it, guys. Good to go. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Erevo on the Sledge, baby, versus the all-new 2022 Ford Raptor R. 700 horsepower, 640 pound-feet of torque versus the 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 TRX Ignition Edition, 702 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. But the TRX Ignition Edition will still win. Ford will never going to build a fast car. You need 900 horsepower to keep up. Sorry, Ford, you're still going down. TRX Ignition Edition, Bandit VXL, baby. Yeah. Subscribe.